is up, YouTube? It is the new YouTube channel, The Gamer Station, and I am dual commentating with
Killswitch Gaming. How's it going, guys? So, this is the brand new YouTube channel, obviously, and it is the Gamer Station. My channel will be in the link in the description, so go ahead and check that out, please. And, what can we expect from, coming up for your, videos?
I will be doing some Call of Duty, some MW3. I'll probably be doing some series on Minecraft, stuff like that. I'll be doing some hacking, maybe. Some glitches, maybe, if that. And yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be mainly a gaming station channel, of course, because that's his name.
Yep.
But, kind of like mine. So, what we're both going to be doing pretty soon is we're going to be doing showing you some mods and stuff. I already have a mod where it was Minecraft and Skyrim.
That was cool.
Yeah.
You could build some Skyrim armor for Minecraft in the Minecraft lobbies, and you could play on Skyrim as a Minecraft character with like some wolves and some other stuff.
And pigs, which took 3 million years to get in.
For real, that was probably really hard. I wasn't with him when he made that, but it looked pretty cool what I saw.
Yeah, so you guys should definitely go ahead and check that out. And if you go ahead and visit my channel, then what will first come up is my channel trailer. So I suggest go ahead and watching that so you can see what I'm all about. It's a quick little video that you guys can watch. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. This is Killswitch Gaming, and this video was mainly just introducing the brand new YouTube channel that's going to be coming, and you're going to want to like and subscribe.
And this is the Gamer Station, and please subscribe. I need the subscriptions, and Killswitch Gaming does. And I'll see you later.